The birds, the birds. There they go. The birds, the birds. They're everywhere. Look at across the street. I don't know if you can see that many. That's a lot of birds. Okay, people. Where are the party people at? I'm watching the birds, like in Hitchcock. Make sure not to hit the daddy or the kiddo. Birds, it's that time. There's lots of birds. Look at that one car. Well, I don't know if you can see it to my right. You were too close and the Suburban is too far back. It's one of those old gas guzzlers. Can't sleep, can't live. Living is without you. That's what it is. Mr. Trump, you can get it. Oh no, you can't because that lady's blocking your lane. He can't go, she can't go, I can't go, nobody can go. This one's blocking my view. You really gonna try? She's really blocking my way. Had a Mexican standoff, except all of us were Mexican. It was me, the black guy, the white lady in back of me who didn't know how to drive. She blocked his lane. She blocked oncoming traffic because she wanted to turn next. She had to be next in back of me. She couldn't wait because somebody else might have took her spot, and then she would have to wait longer. When you get older, as you get older, you can solve these problems and just know what's going on. I just gotta go to Vlogmas. See if I can get in where I fit in. I didn't get to show all the birds over there. Alright. Well, today is the day for lines. Everywhere you go, there's a line. I think I'm feeling entitled. I don't want to stay in the line. So I go. At Kroger's, there was this line, and there's this one lady that works the courtesy booth, and I dread going when she's there. She is so slow. She likes to spend 5 minutes or longer with each customer. I'd say longer, not 5 minutes. We can wait 5 minutes. She goes in, and where did you buy it last time? And well, how did you do it last time? And you should go to... She's just crazy. This guy, he was doing the same thing. That's a lot of birds. Oh my goodness. That's a lot. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna kill the birds. I'm killing them. I hear crunches. Oh my God, not for real. You're like crunch. Must be fun. All right, I got it. But they were birds galore. I wanted to go in there, but I feel like it. That's what that guy was doing in the truck. He was standing recording the birds. The birds. Yeah, it gets like that around here in Houston. And I can't say because it's winter or anything, because Texas really don't have no winter. Really doesn't have winters per se. Currently it's 56 outside. So for us that's cold. It's very seldom do we get it to be that cold. But that was just for a week, this week. Next week it was hot. And then there was one day during the week it was like 73 or 80, and you know, you're going from 40-degree weather all the way. What's going on? Why are 3 people stopped? Because nobody can go. Are they all together? Is it some kind of pay it forward? Oh my. Anyway, yeah, I'm rambling and I lost track, but I went anyway. That lady at the customer service, she is so slow, and she picks and chooses her favorites. She has never told me thank you or come again or anything like that. But then again, and I've never been rude to her, but I just really don't care for her. She just takes so long. I mean, long, overly long. And why they haven't gotten rid of her, I don't know. I do like her as opposed to the other one, though. They had this other lady there. She was young red, and she used to charge me $1 every time I went to do my lottery ticket, to change in the lottery tickets to cash them in. And I thought, oh well, maybe Kroger's does it, I don't know. And it was just $1, so I didn't say nothing. But then I talked to the one that's so slow, and she's like, no, we don't charge. I was like, really? That's odd, because the other lady charges me $1 every time I do it. I haven't seen her no more. I hope I didn't get her in trouble, but you know, I never understood that. Well, I guess she was just getting $1 every time somebody came in. I figured if nothing else, maybe she really needs that $1. Sometimes $1 just not worth the fight, or to me for the confrontation, because I'm like, no. Anyway, I went to the, to get to the point, she was there, and I just had to exchange this product that Dad bought. He bought some sub kit, a bunch of luncheon meat. It's an Oscar Mayer package, and when he brought it, I noticed the packaging was all blown up, and I'm like, wow, that's odd. And he was tired. He had been working 12 days straight. And I was like, are you sure it's good? Usually when packages are expanded like that, either the packaging has been compromised and the seal is broken, or they left it out too long and then put it up and it's turned bad, you know. Package was busting open, and I opened up. It didn't smell bad yet, but it didn't smell right either. I couldn't tell, but I didn't like it. It didn't smell normal. So he's like, yeah, I just like to buy bad stuff, being sarcastic. And oh my gosh, shit. I didn't even say that. You know, no, he's tired, and when he's tired, he gets ornery, and he gets really sarcastic and I don't know, blunt. He'll just say whatever's on his mind. Like he gets it from his mama. So I told him the other day, from now on, when you're working so many days consecutively and you're so tired that you're grumpy, I'm going to just use a pole and give you your lunch, and I'm not going to speak to you that way. I don't need to be talked to like that. I'm offended. My feelings are hurt. I just can't take the punishment. It feels like you're punishing me. Yeah. Like, darn. At first, she was just like, well, I don't like you yelling and raising your voice at me. And sometimes I do when I feel like I'm not being heard or I really have to make a point. My voice will raise, and it's not me yelling because I don't yell. It's not part of my character unless I've done lost my mind and all bets are off, and I'm in the zone. Then yeah, I'm gonna act erratic, and yeah, that's why I avoid confrontations and anger. I don't handle it well. I tend to lash out, and I haven't done that in a long time. I can't remember when. It's been a while. I mean, there was one person who was just, this woman who was just constantly trying to provoke me and cursing at me, and normally names don't mean nothing. I don't take no offense into them, do whatever, but I don't like it, especially if you're doing it in front of my face, and I'm not one to talk shit back, maybe sarcastically and joking, but not in the heat of moment. I won't argue with you. I won't play the dozen. I won't, do all that. But I know I can get so upset to where I can't handle it, and she was cussing me out, and she was driving in a vehicle while she was doing this, and she passed me by calling me a bitch, and next thing I know, half her body's being dragged out of the vehicle window of the driver's side while it was driving. She was going slow, real slow. And the car keeps going off, so out comes her body, and I've got her by the back of her long, pretty hair with both hands. I dragged her out of the car window that she was driving by the back of her long hair. Her long, luxurious, pretty brown hair. She had some light brown hair, yeah. I got her out. Didn't tell her a word, didn't say nothing, just pulled her out like it was the norm. It was just normal, Hey, let me help you there. I pulled her, had her on the ground. Next thing you know, her family members, and these weren't in-laws, but it was my boyfriend at the time's family. Between all of them, 8 people it took over 8 people to separate us, or separate. Are you fucking kidding me? This is the exit. My people. My people. These are my people. Not really my people, but my brothers and sisters of the earth, come on. Oh well, anyway. It took 8 people to separate us. And they wouldn't get off of me, and I started to panic because I'm thinking, oh, this shit is bad. They've got me pinned down. I cannot protect myself. They might start to beat me. That was going through my head. So the next thing I know, I remember my mama said, it hurts them as much as it hurts you. Do whatever you have to do. Bite them. Stab them. You just do what you gotta do. So the next thing I know, I didn't have any weapons at the time, because that probably would have come to mind. So I started biting. After I bit the first 2 family members, well, they started letting go. Ain't that funny? Because I asked them to let me go. Oh, get your hands off. What the hell are y'all doing? Y'all didn't stop her from talking shit, did y'all? Now y'all want to break it up. Oh, it was all fun and games when she was running her mouth. Oh my God. But I'm better now. I'm progressing. There have been no more fires. Okay, there have been 3 floods. I did flood the house, but I've stopped burning houses on fire or setting them on fire accidentally. I've stopped all that, so that's progress, people, and I'm in therapy. So that's that. All right. Adios. Merry Christmas. Sayonara. Ciao. Arrivederci. Oh, I think I forgot the rest of the story. What is it? That lady is a cashier, so she takes too long, and so I asked one of the cashiers at the self-checkout, explained to him I bought something, my husband bought something bad, and I wanted to exchange it, but that lady takes forever. It's going to take me an hour to exchange one item. Could I leave it with him and just exchange it? He's like, sure. So that's how I skipped the line with a little entitlement. But I asked nicely, and he was great. Thanks.